Hi everyone, my name is Promise Makunyane. This video is real. It's not edited, it's not AI, it's not manipulated. This is Promise Makunyane and I am personally making this video. If you are seeing this video, kindly do me a favor and share it as wide and far as you can. I do not have any edges, any feelings or any thoughts of unaliving myself. I don't have any thoughts of taking my life away. And I'm not using the word K or sui so that this video cannot be taken down by all the social media platforms. I don't go to unsafe places. I don't go with unsafe people. I have a very close community. If one day you get to learn that I've taken away my life or I've unalived myself, please do not think it is what it is. I am making a video to say, if ever you hear such a thing, please know that it is not what they would say it is. However innocent it will look, please understand that it is orchestrated. And I repeat, however real it might look, however real it might look, please understand that it is not real. I will never take away my life. I will never put my life in danger. I will never put myself in a situation where it will compromise me. So should you hear those kinds of news, please know that it is not, and I repeat, it is not natural or it is not innocent. There is a whole orchestration behind it. Secondly, I'm very much well aware of the smear campaign that is going around my name and the reputational damage that is going around my name. Right now, it has taken a shift from my marriage to my personal life or personal attacks, and this is because it must not look like it is about my marriage. It must look real, that I am this, I am that. Please note, this is the message that I have received when I try to address all these things, because the person that is at the back of this is funding these things, is orchestrating people to make content about me, to spew my name, to go on podcast, to have conversations about me, to damage my reputation. This is the response that I got when I tried to address the malicious intent at the back of all this thing that is happening on the internet. Right now, where the direction of this thing is going, it's about me as a person, and now it's moving away from my marriage. But I am here to say this is an orchestration. The person at the back of this is making it look like it is moving away from my marriage. It's not about my marriage, because they have tried a lot of things and I did not fold. So thank you guys so much. Please take this announcement very seriously. Please share my video. I do not intend to take out my life. I do not have those edges. I'm enjoying my life. I'm enjoying being a mom, and I'm living my life the best way that I can. I'm rebuilding, I'm starting afresh, and I don't have a problem with it. You know, I've downgraded. I don't live in the most favorable, like I would dream of living, but I'm okay with rebuilding. So I am enjoying life, and I will never take away my life. Secondly, I will never put my life in danger on purpose. Thirdly, please note, every smear, this is a whole smear campaign that is orchestrated now so that it can look like it's no longer about my marriage, but it's about just people and. There is a whole budget at the back of this. There is a whole plan at the back of this. It's a whole orchestration. But most importantly, please share my video. Thank you.
Hello good people, welcome to this channel. If you are new here, please make sure you do the right thing. You press that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Good people, uPromise Makunyane uthi ucela sazi ukuthi yena akekho inhlelweni zokuyibulala futhi angeke aze azibulale. So uma ngabe kwenzekile washona, sazi ukuthi kunesandla somuntu lapho. So since sonke sazi ukuthi uPromise since aqale ukutrenda from last year nge-divorce and stuff, and uPromise ulimaza abantu besifazane abaningi eSouth Africa because i-content yakhe my husband this, my husband that. So sazi ke ukuthi manje impilo yakhe seyisengcupheni because receive ama-death threat on social media, and uthi ngathi khona umuntu behind yonke lento eyenzakalayo ukuthi igama lakhe lidragwe kuma social media platforms. So ngaloko ke angazi ukuthi sekubi ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi sekuzokufika la ukuthi khona abantu Promise sebamfuna afile. So good people, please comment below, tell us what do you think about this story. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Kulungile, bye. See you on the next one.